Hello, and welcome back to Everything Tumbler Tutorials. My name is Rebecca Escott, and I'm super excited to bring to you what's called hashtag Bad Ombre Challenge. Jessica from Jessica Flynn's Sisters Boutique has invited myself and 9 or 8 other YouTubers to participate in this very fun video for you guys. So I'll have a list of them here, which is going to be Duncan Custom Airbrush, Miss Kiss Creations, the Flynn Sisters Boutique, the Purple Stitch, Sandy's Organized Chaos, Mr. Nola's Glitter, the Creative Siren, Dixie Darlings, and Kelsey Scruggs. All of those will be in a description link for you down below, so make sure you check out their channel, subscribe to them, and hit that bell button so when their fun video launches, you guys won't miss any of them. So this is super exciting. So when you guys see this video, it is as raw and real as it can possibly get. I have my son here, I have my daughter here, one of my little grandsons is here, and it is just absolutely fun. As you will see, I do use my spray paint glitter method, which for the record doesn't work that well when you're blindfolded. And that's the challenge today. So there's no right or wrong in this video. The cup is not going to be perfect. It's literally just as real and fun as it can be. So with all of that said, let's just get right to it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
On the other, and you are still in frame. And action. We're not telling her where she ends first.
There's no win factor. It's not bad.
No, you're good.
Mommy, help me.
Don't laugh, you're making it worse.
Okay, it's fine.
It looks great.
I might actually have there you go. I might actually leave some of this in. Let me know if wind starts to become my way. That's all I care about, so I can pause. Am I still in frame?
Yes, you haven't moved an inch.
This is going to be a travesty.
We should put your plugs in there.
Oh yeah.
I feel like that's a lot. Okay. Now we're just gonna. Oh sheesh.
Wait, let her do her cups.
We're gonna use this one. Not really sure what color it is. God, I hope it's the right color. So we're just gonna ombre. Okay. Oh God.
Gavin, away from the pool, please. Come here.
Luke!
He's fine as long as he doesn't bump into her.
This is a practice, right?
No, this is it.
This is it.
Oh, well, Luke.
Good Lord. I hope I'm
Fine.
getting the
Luke
cup.
is fine.
Hey, look, clicker, your table.
Gavin, it's fine. Back up.
Okay.
Back up, baby.
Gavin.
She's doing a video. Watch on the camera. See?
Don't touch it, don't.
Is it? Okay, there it is.
Yep, you're doing great.
There you go.
It's starting to get windy. Go a little closer.
Okay. I might need to add a little more. So you're gonna want to make sure you just tap off all that extra glitter, and here she is. Can you see the cup? Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, so it's time to reveal, right? Okay, I want my reaction.
Yeah,
to
go.
these scenes.
Go ahead.
Oh my God, that's awful. I thought I was doing so good.
And Gavin's so concerned about the table.
God, that is so
All right, back up,
funny.
Gavin.
Okay, so let's get a close up.
Gavin, back up,
Dude, that's
please.
hilarious. You're literally pouring the glitter
Yeah.
on the table.
You got on that one. Do your other camera.
That's hilarious.
I didn't even get the bottom.
You were spraying.
You're spraying this way.
That's awesome.
And now we're ready to go ahead and epoxy. And for my first coat of epoxy, I'm going to use Quick Set from Glitter Craze, as I always do for my tumblers. And as with any coat of epoxy, you want to go ahead and use your heat torch to pop any bubbles that you may or may not be able to see. Allow this to dry completely for about 2 to 3 hours, again depending on your climate. And honestly, it's not that bad after I've applied epoxy. Once that's completely dry, I am now ready to decal. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this hashtag Bad Ombre challenge. And if you did, please do not forget to check out all the links below for the other 9 YouTubers that were a part of this challenge. If you enjoyed this tutorial or hashtag Bad Ombre, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials coming soon.